ba yung tinatawag na data entry? Must-have skills para sa isang data entry virtual assistant. Samples of data entry work. Pwede mo bang i-alok itong serbisyo ng data entry sa online? Saan ka makakahanap ng yung clients para sa iyong data entry skills? Kung go ka, itong video na ito ay para sa iyo. Hey, this is Heidie-Fernandez, your virtual assistant for today. Pero bago tayo magsimula, kung gusto mo yung topic na ganito, please consider subscribing, i-like mo na rin, at i-share mo na rin. At patuloy po ako sa aking commitment na mag-share ng mga strategies, walkthrough videos, personal experiences ko bilang isang virtual assistant. Let's get started! Let's get at patuloy po ako mag-share ng aking patuloy po ako sa aking commitment. Hey, this is Heidie-Fernandez, your virtual attention to detail. So, itong work na ito kasi ay instruction-based kind of task. So, importante na hindi mo lang binabasa yung sinend sa yung instruction ng yung kliyente. Kung hindi, sasamahan mo pa ito ng comprehension na medyo malupit para maintindihan mo talaga yung instruction. Knowledge of computer software such as Excel, Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox. Basic knowledge lang nito mga ito, dapat meron ka. A quick research can help you. So, ano ba yung mga magandang maidudulot nito mga computer software or tools na ito? Strong written and verbal communication skills. So, ito importante rin kasi usually, pangkaraniwan ay meron kayong mga meetings. So, mas maganda na na-improve mo rin yung iyong written and verbal communication skills para ma-press mo yung sarili mo at maintindihan ka ng yung kliyente. Decent typing speed. So, yung typing speed mo, dapat medyo improve or i-polish mo ng kontre. Kasi, some data entry work requires typing speed information bago ka ma-hire. So, maaari ka nila i-test. So, kung improve na yung iyong typing speed skills, mas maganda yung resulta na ibibigay nito sa iyo. Accuracy of your work. Kapag nagre-research ka ng mga information, make sure accurate yung kinukuha mo mga information. Base sa aking experience, halimbawa, pinakukuha ko ng information ng client, I make sure na yung kinukuha kong information ay updated. Halimbawa, kumukuha ako ng information ng kliyente para sa kanyang email address, so I make sure na tama yung kinukuha kong email address para sa information na yan. No babysitting required. So, kung meron ka mga questions tungkol sa instructions, number 1 is you ask questions. You ask questions sa iyong kliyente. And if, halimbawa, merong mga instruction na how to do this, mas maganda meron kang research ability para hindi mo na ito tinatanong sa iyong kliyente. Halimbawa, yung paggamit ng Google Drive, paggamit ng Dropbox. So, yung mga to, available naman yung mga information sa online, so you can just do a quick research tungkol dito. Yung no babysitting required kasi, hindi naman sa lahat ng procedure o lahat ng steps ay tinatanong mo sa kliyente mo. Siguro yung mga iba lang na talagang hindi mo maintindihan sa kanyang instruction, you will ask questions. Pero, yung mga pwede mong i-research, by all means, i-research mo na. Bilang pagpapakilala na ikaw ay isang no babysitting type of virtual assistant. Confidentiality. May mga information na ibinibigay sa iyo ang iyong kliyente. So, kailangan may confidentiality ito. Halimbawa ng mga information ay yung mga login information o yung mga research na ginagawa niya, dapat ito ay top secret between you and your clients. Organizational skills. Ito, importante rin ito, no? Hindi ka lang basta research, nagsasad ka lang ng iyong mga information na na-research sa iyong kliyente. Mas maganda i-propose mo na meron kayong organizational setup sa iyong company wherein sa inyo i-store lahat ng iyong mga information o yung mga files na meron kayo. Examples of data entry jobs na na-experience ko na. So for now, ipapakita ko yung mga na-experience ko ng data entry jobs. Okay, ito na yung mga sample ng mga data entry projects na naranasan ko. So for this particular client, nagpapahanap siya sa akin ng blog, forum, Q&A commenting. Meron siya sa akin instructions dito na to scan through his blogs, take a few minutes to learn what the website is all about o yung niche ng website niya, find niche related popular blogs, Q&A, answers, yahooanswers.com, ask.com, Quora, at iba pa. Ito ay mga forums that are worthwhile to comment on para magkaroon ng link back para sa kanyang website. And also, meron siya ditong understand the commenting community, read through a few comments on the blog and figure out if you can respond to that discussion or blog. So, yan yung mga instructions na binigay niya sa akin. So, okay, tingnan natin yung finished work natin. So, as you can see here, okay, eto yung mga blogs na research ko sa kanya. Yung ating headings dito, as much as possible, kompleto yung nilalagay ko. So, meron dito blog name, blog URL, comment URL, status, require ba mag-sign in, comment URL, and its status. So, wag nyo lang basta ilagay doon, blog URL. Nakapag-comment, yes. So, bigyan nyo siya ng buong information sa mga data entry na ginawa nyo for him or for your client. Another one is yung kanyang instructions para sa Facebook posting, which is, I think this one. Okay. Yung Facebook posting na rin is the same thing. So, as much as possible, kompleto yung information na nilalagay ko sa aking product for him. So, dito sa header, nakikita nyo yung group name, group URL, group type, status, posted, post URL, and date posted. Hindi ko lang basta nilagay group URL. Nakapag-join ba? Yes. Ganun lang. So, kompletuhin nyo yung information na kakailanganin ng yung kliyente when you're doing the data entry work. Okay? Another data entry na naranasan ko na ay yung Web 2 properties creation. So, dito, binigyan niya ako ng mga special instructions. As you can see here, yung preferred username, target URL, target keywords, headline, short description, long description, logo to be used, background, country, at yung kanya special requirements here, which is try to choose username and fill in the description, profile as above. And number 2, if possible, always make sure target URL is in long description and link back to the target website. So, susundin natin yung instruction na yan at tingnan natin yung product na ginawa ko for him. So, ito yung mga headings ko. So, yung site URL, username, since this is account creation, yung password, yung status ba nito o na-verified ba, yung email use, at yung profile URL. At mapapansin nyo rin, ang ginamit ko rito ay Google Spreadsheet, kung saan, number 1, maiiwasan natin yung back and forth sending of the files. Number 2, this is real time. So, makikita niya yung mga bagong input na mga nilalagay ko sa spreadsheet na ito. And number 3, all I have to do is share with him yung link at makikita niya na yung mga inputs or yung data entry na ginagawa mo. Top 3 websites kung saan pwede mong i-alok, i-offer, at ilatag yung data entry skills. Number 1 on my list is Online Jobs PH. So makikita nyo rito yung mga different data encoder or data entry candidates. Okay? At makikita natin yung kanilang mga salary, expected salary dito. We have 30,000 for data encoder. At meron ditong data analyst enthusiast at 40,000 pesos. At meron ditong researcher, data encoder for 50,000 a month. And we have data encoder and transcriptionist at 10,000 a month. At meron din ditong isang data entry specialist at 30,000 a month. So dito, pwede nyong ilatag at gumawa kayo ng profile o mag-create kayo ng account inside Online Jobs at makapag-start na kayo ng inyong data entry na service at work from home. Second on my list is Upwork. So dito rin, pwede kayong mag-account creation, any other pareho rin ang process sa ibang website kung saan ikaw mag-account creation, mag-create ka ng account mo, mag-setup ka ng profile mo, and you will set your rates. At dito makikita natin yung iba't ibang data entry professional. They work for $6 per hour. Same here for $7 per hour. And here, which is much higher because they included their delivery for 1 day, which is for $30. This one is for $8 and this one is for $5. So makikita natin yung iba't ibang rate ng iba't ibang data entry specialist dito. Like any other account creation, like any other website or job posting board websites, you will need to sign up or create account with them. Tapos ikaw ay gagawa ng iyong profile like this one. Okay, yung mga description in here, work history, lead generation ba yung kanyang specialization, at yung kanyang iba't ibang testimonials in here. Another on my list is Fiverr. Pwede ka rito, like any other website, create an account with them, create your profile, make sure you stands out yung profile. And then we have here yung mga data entry services. We have here for $10. Virtual assistant for data entry and web research. And then another one here for $10, same rate. I will do perfect data entry, web research, copy paste work. Same here, I will do data entry, internet research, copy paste and typing job. Here we have here, I will do data entry, Excel data entry, PDF to Excel. So they have specifics na mga offer dito. You can do that on your own profile kung ano yung tingin nyo kayang-kaya nyo gawin at makakapag-compete kayo. Make sure your profile stands out kapag kayo ay nag-create na ng profile. There you go. Good luck. And thank you for watching.